job losses,
prices have soared.
The dangerous rip currents going on. Some
catastrophic fires.
Tired of the noise? Us too.
Clock in, clock out, same old fight. Still chasing stars in the dead of night. They say it's dead, we say not yet. We build with blood, sweat, and a little.
Welcome to American Dream TV.
They sell
We don't chase clicks with chaos.
over screen.
We spotlight hope. We celebrate the hustle. And we tell the stories the mainstream media forgot.
This is the American dream.
Because this country runs on more than headlines. It runs on heart.
Hearts on fire.
This is American Dream TV. Positive, powerful, on purpose.
Yeah, still dreaming.